Hi, it's Chris Sherman from The Apartment Dealer, and I just listed a 3-property portfolio here in the cities of Huntington Park and Southgate. We have properties 1, 2, and 3. Today, I'll be discussing property number 2, which is a 7-unit multifamily property here in the city of Huntington Park. Now, this property is comprised of 3 individual structures. You have a front single-story cottage, which is 3-bedroom, 1 bath. You have a 4-plex, which stands at the middle of the property, and then you have a duplex to the rear. The 4-plex and the duplex property all have 1-bedroom, 1-bath units. Now, the tenants enjoy on-site garage parking. There is an on-site laundry facility. There's also additional open space parking. Complete gated entry, so a lot of privacy for the tenants. The electrical panels were just updated this year, which is a big deal when it comes to procuring property insurance for multifamily properties today. This property offers over a 5.6% cap rate, around 11.5 GRM. Those are the financial metrics that any investor is looking for, a winning proposition. So if you're looking for a property within the 710 corridor, you've looked at Huntington Park. You want a city, you want to own in a city that has high demand, low vacancy, which means rental rates only continue to climb. Maybe this one is for you. Give me a call, send me a message here, and who knows, maybe you and I will be doing a deal soon.